So after flying that far, guys, the drone is on the way back here at our terrace. Yay! Perfect! Nandito kami ngayon sa post office. Actually, ano din to? Parang shopping or grocery store. And Anda is picking up the package. And you're gonna find out what it's that later when we do unboxing. Posten, it means the post office. So you go groceries and then at the same time you can pick up or send your post. Exciting! Oh, that's two box. The two boxes. One, another one. Exciting. I'm gonna do unboxing. Finish? Is it done? Party? Okay, ito yung i-help me din, Andra. Okay, ito din, Litten. Okay, men borde na åpna bilen da. Okay, jeg kan åpne for deg. I go for Anda first. Open the door for Anda. It's raining, that's why. Oops. And there you go. And we're going to drive somewhere. So, guys, it's raining. And let's drive. That's the package that we pick up. And was waiting for that. And it's raining. So, hello everyone, this is Amazing Grace and welcome back again to my channel. Today guys, we're sitting in front of you and I'm together with Anva and we have a box inside in front of us. So today we're going to do unboxing. This is what we pick up from the post. So now, let's find out what's inside. We have actually 2 boxes. And there you go. You have to show. This is a bag. Luggage bag or a hand carry bag. And what's inside the bag? Different types of or parts of something. So you can have only put it in the side and then we're going to open one more and we have this motion controller. We already opened it because Anva was very excited. You can stop also, Anva. Are you excited about these things? That's all you can say. Okay, he's going to do something, just working or unboxing. I'll do all the talking. And that's the controller and another one box here. Oh, this is quite big. And man has his own way to do the unboxing. I think this way and ba, open na din har. So on. And one more. Nah, you're destroying it. Can I do it? Yeah, I do the talking, guys. He'll do the unboxing. This is more on bloopers. Ouch. Ouch. No, this one here is not. You can save the box, Anva. It's quite complicated. It's like comedy unboxing. Oh, it's a lot of bubbles. And I have so many bubbles, guys. This is for ASMR. Wow, this is a lot. And wait. So, this is DJI Fly More Kit. This is, I think, battery. And another box. And more bubbles. Plastic bubbles. Wow. Turn around. And this all about. There you go. This is. Are you ready? This is DJI FPV combo. DJI FPV, or not B but V, FPV drone. And this is what it looked from the back side. So let's do the unboxing. This way, this side. Oh. Okay. Oops. Turn around. Oh my goodness, the things are all turned around. Turned upside down. So inside, guys, we'll see. Wait. If you open this way, it's alright. Oh, wrong way. Okay, okay. You know, he knows what he have or what he really bought. So, this is what inside the box. The FPV drone and the goggles. And then we have this for, you know, this is a motion controller. And we have this pack of batteries that we put already there. So it's like a package. Oops, this is the Google. And that's the drone. And inside, another controller for the phone. And
for the phone, for the drone, yeah.
For the drone. And these are all parts of drone. We have like how many? Oh, this is like what you call this, Stephanie? She doesn't know.
Wings.
Huh? The wings? Wow, the wings.
Wow.
So this, guys, for this, I'm not sure. I'm only thinking
No way.
that way.
No way.
Oops. That way. Yeah. So it's just an example, guys. So these are all the things inside the box. These are. Let's open and then Anba will assemble, or will just open. Why it's so hard to open this one? It's destroying my nails. Oh, the protector. Another cover for this, for example. This another type. This one a green and this one is the light color. And we have more wire for the phones, I think. Yes. And another one here.
Hotel battery.
This
Battery for the
battery
Google.
for the goggles. And this is the holder. So you have it in your face or something to, like, you know, while it's holding the goggles in place. So this is the battery for the goggles. We have many small wires here for charging. And we have this one. It's inside this box. And we have the the controller. Because you can either use this one or this other type of controller. So I think, I'm imagining. And then you flying around, it will, you. Wow. Perfect. So it's so nice, and good lights. And the thing that I like it here, guys, is the what is this, Anva? This one.
It's the battery loader. You can have 3 batteries.
So it's like a battery for the drone. It's like you have already one in the back. Another 2 more extra battery. And what is this?
That's for loading the battery. You take it up and put the battery for all 3. You can load it up.
Oh, okay.
That's all right. Okay.
So we have here, it's quite a lot of boxes. That's alright. This is a controller. This is for the battery. We have LSA. You know what's LSA? So guys, these are the things, or all the materials or the parts of the drone FPV combo. DJI FPV drone. So this is the camera. I don't know how to open it. That one. Wrong way. Oops.
I know, so.
Hi, only one. Only press one. And that's the camera. And then the light. I really love the color. It's different from what we have before. From DJI Mavic. We have also the DJI Phantom. And then Phantom Professional 2.8, something like that. And this is the latest. Because we sold the Mavic Pro, the Mavic drone, to buy this new. And this time I will also fly this one.
This drone is also a racing drone. It's also FPV. It's like you see when you're flying, it's like you're sitting on the drone when you're flying with this Google. And it's going up to 140 kilometers an hour. It's very fast, but it's also normal. You can fly also normal.
So guys, this is what we do. It's only the boxing and then how it functions and how it works. We'll show you later all the footage, or little by little. Because me and Anva have to train. We have to download the apps in our phone and use the Google's for simulator. Practice on how to fly a drone using the Google. So it's like while you're using the Google, it's like you are flying. You are the one flying it. You don't, it's like the view, the way you look at the camera or the footage, it's like you are the one driving it like a pilot. So we're going to learn, we're going to practice by using this Google and simulator. So this is so nice, guys, and I'm excited to, of course, to use this one. And then we have another so many small things here. I think this, we will find out what are the...
It's a protector for the gimbal.
Oh, it's the gimbal protector, and we are trying to study one by one all the parts and function and how it's going to be built like this. But I think Anva is more known on this kind of things because it's his hobby. So guys, thank you again for watching, and I'm excited. And watch. To those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Click the notification bell so you're updated to all the videos that I'm going to share. And if you want to see more about the footage or what we are, you know, videos that we're going to take using the drone, so please do subscribe. Guys, bye. Oh, there you go. Anva is on work and assembling his drone. The FPV drone. Nice, perfect. And the thing that I like with this bag is a hard case. It's like a comfort, and then a comfort or the luggage, and then it's also a backpack. It's very serious, so I'm not going to disturb him. So now guys, Anva is trying for the first time the drone outside. It's quite wet here because it's just stopped raining. And he's going to try his new FPV drone. So, now Anva is trying with the simulator. Not simulator, but it's he can see what the drone or the camera from the drone can see. It's much better. It's like you are a pilot of this drone. Although he is really a pilot, but what I mean is like you are in the plane. So after flying that far, guys, the drone is on the way back here at our terrace. And there you go. And it's going to land. Yay! Perfect.
Ja, men jeg ser jeg får alarmer hvis jeg er for nærme der.